I stroll on the wet grey path, cleansed by nature's soothing bath, with the dust settled for the time being, and the cuckoos on the boughs gleefully sing. The exquisite colours of the peacock's feather look more vibrant due to the weather, with the freshness of the air and the sky so fair. The world seems drenched in happiness galore, sends my way windy invites from under my door, calls out to let the sorrows of yesterday for a while give way to the abundant blessings that the nature is daily offering, and let the soul dance and rejoice on the songs sung by wind in its pleasing voice.